Welcome to Elevate, the UK's leading trade event for fitness, sports therapy and physical activity sectors. Over 2 days at London Excel, more than 200 exhibitors and over 6,000 professionals from gyms, studios, universities and sports facilities gather here to explore the latest in health, performance and physical well-being. I'm really excited to see what the show has in store for us this year. So let's check it out together.
Elevate's a big commercial fitness show. It's very London centric, so we've got a lot of our clients that are based in and around London and down in the south. It's a good opportunity to meet with those guys. And yeah, certainly a nice big show and an ability to get together.
It was I think I can say that is the best show we attend.
We've already signed up for next year, so there you go.
Elevate's been a fantastic show for us this year. It's been really good to see some current customers, some people that we're already working with, but also reaching out to a full range of distribution partners, potential customers, and it's been extremely beneficial to us.
It's a networking event for me, so we get in front of the people that we need to show our product to.
We have a really good response from people came from various parts of the UK. Not only there were a few international visitors as well, which is pleasing.
The fitness industry is on the rise, with market value reaching a staggering £5.9 billion in 2024. And Elevate is proving to be the place to exhibit and find latest innovations.
Over the past few years, there's more attention to longevity and how people can live longer rather than just looking better. So yeah, looking better is a part of that, but actually how do we live longer and how do we do that effectively?
It's a very competitive market. We need to stand out. We have a great brand. A lot of people know Keiser. They know us for being extremely reliable and fantastic equipment, but we still need to stand out and be a destination for people to come to when they at these types of shows.
So the machines that we have here today are hydrojet massage machines. So this is a wonderful experience where it's using water to deliver head to toe full body massage.
Pelvic X makes your pelvic floor contract and makes it strong. It's very difficult sometimes to perform Kegel exercises manually because we often contract abdominal muscles, buttocks, but not the pelvic floor. This is a focused stimulation, and it's so deep. It goes 15 centimeters deep into our body, so it activates all the pelvic floor area, not just the pelvic floor muscle, but the core, deep core muscles as well.
We have reformers, tower combinations, we have Cadillacs, we have Cadillac conversions and some Wunda chairs, and following the original blueprints of the Joseph Pilates, he made it on that time. What we are just doing here is with a premium, as you said, a premium wood of American walnut or Canadian maples or aluminium.
For fitness sector companies that attend multiple shows throughout the year, Modular stands offer a polished, professional look with the flexibility to update messaging or reconfigure layouts. Whether it's a high-performance equipment, sports recovery tools, or digital health platforms, exhibiting with modular systems help brands stand out while remaining sustainable.
We go to several shows a year, so yeah, we have quite a few more in the pipeline we're looking forward to. Something I came on board and took this position in October, and something I wanted to do was come away from stands that were torn down, thrown away, not reused. So having you guys on board is something that was pretty important for me. We've got a big sort of sustainability commitment. As I say, Kaiser's a US-based company. There's a big drive and initiative on more recyclables and less waste in factory level, so definitely ties in with that.
This is why, once again, Quadrant 2 Design were chosen as a recommended exhibition stand design and build contractor for the show.
I mean, to be honest, your team worked incredibly well because I only made the inquiry possibly 6-7 weeks ago, so it's been a very short window to get this done. So yeah, it was really good. Lauren was our project manager. She was fantastic, kept me in the loop. gave me a nudge when I needed to do things and kept me on track. So yeah, it worked really well. The branding's fantastic, really happy with the design. Certainly stands out as a Keiser branded stand, and we'll be using it a lot of times in the near future, I'm sure. I quite like the layout, how we've got it, and I'll be doing a review after this show and maybe chopping and changing some bits, but overall really happy. Yeah. Elevate 2025 has been great, lots of great conversations, so yeah, really happy. And yeah, I'm sure we'll do plenty more shows together in the future.
Elevate is more than a show. It's a space where innovation meets impact. As the industry grows, so does the need for more effective ways to exhibit. From the cutting-edge tech to clever stand design. For me, the future of fitness and exhibition stands is being built right here. Goodbye from Elevate.